Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Revolut in 2025. If you're looking to move your Dogecoin for better access or security, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First things first, why would you want to do this? Robinhood is great for trading, but Revolut offers more flexibility for spending or holding crypto. Before we jump in, make sure you have verified accounts on both platforms, and remember that crypto transfers involve fees and potential risks like network congestion. Always double-check everything to avoid costly mistakes. Step 1. Open your Robinhood app and log in. Navigate to your portfolio and select your Dogecoin holdings. Look for the withdraw or transfer option. It's usually under the three dots or a settings menu. If you're in 2025, Robinhood might have updated interfaces, so keep an eye out for any new features. Step 2. Once you're in the withdrawal section, you'll need to enter a receiving wallet address. Here's the key part. Revolut provides you with a Dogecoin wallet address. Head over to your Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and copy the Dogecoin address. Paste this into Robinhood's withdrawal form. Double-check the address to prevent any errors. Crypto is irreversible. Step 3. Specify the amount of Dogecoin you want to send. Robinhood will show you the estimated fees, which could be based on network costs. Review everything, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation code or email. Save that for your records. After initiating the transfer, it might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour or more, depending on the Dogecoin network. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the Dogecoin has arrived. A few quick tips. Always use two-factor authentication, be aware of current market volatility, and consider the tax implications of moving assets. In 2025, regulations might have changed, so stay updated. And there you have it. That's how you send Dogecoin from Robinhood to Revolut. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.